No, don't. Ow. Really? Don't. Seriously.
Put my medicine down.
Oh gosh, that hurts.
I use that stuff.
I gotta pee.
You better find every freaking piece you threw in the room.
It has heels.
Those aren't mine.
Whose are they?
Kimberly's.
Are they? I gotta pee.
Break my bed, you buy it. This is a $5,000 futon.
She's too scared. Ow.
She's gonna hit you.
You don't want me to hit you, because that's going to hurt, Kimberly, so stop. That's what you get for throwing a shoe at me.
I'm gonna hurt.
Did you try to glue it back? Don't. You do, and I... I forgot I had this in my hand.
Stop hitting me, my toesies. Stop. It's my medicine. No. Find my freaking medicine.
Drop all of it.
Cause you've already have.
No, Kimberly, stop.
Stop, Kimberly.
Hitting me and I'll get it. Hit her and make her stay.
Give me that.
Is you hit me with it?
No, I'm not gonna hit you with it. Find all my medicine that I won't.
Well, then fine. I'm not going to find out your medicine because you said if I find out your medicine, you're going to hit me.
Take the shit.
I won't hit you.
Oh.
I don't know what the heck I'm saying. Oh shit, she got the stick. She got it right there.
Don't you dare hit me. Okay?
Hey, oh.
Don't you dare hit me.
God, that looks like a vagina. Panty shot.
Here. No, drop him.
What's that? You sure? Okay.
Do that boob thing again, Courtney.
Wait a minute. Stop, Kimberly. Stop.
Stop. Oh.
Hit me. That hurt. Sit there and throw a shoe at me. You're trying to pick up these pills and you hit me. I tell you to stop and you don't.
Wah, wah, wah. Is that my phone ringing? A pillow?